Argan oil. Moroccan argan oil is a natural moisturizer known for its ability to keep hair hydrated. This natural hair conditioner helps repair dry, brittle, and damaged hair caused by blow-drying, flat ironing, and sun exposure. For all hair types, our deeply conditioning formula is perfect for all types of hair, including straight hair, curly hair, blonde hair, color-treated hair, fine hair, frizzy hair, bleached hair, and more. Restorative formula. Unlike many conditioners which can cause long-term damage to hair due to the many chemicals contained within, natural argan oil helps to enrich the hair and nourish it with nutrients to stop breakage and promote healthy growth. Deeply moisturizing. This powerful hair conditioning treatment helps wash away all of the excess oils and dirt from your hair to unleash beautiful, shiny, and lustrous hair. This repairing conditioner will not leave you with any excess grease or residue. Sulfate and paraben-free. Our hydrating argan oil conditioner is non-GMO, hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. artnaturals Argan Oil Conditioner. Pamper your hair naturally with our rich argan oil conditioner infused with botanical extracts including our exclusive formula of burdock root, rosemary, thyme and white willow bark to help nourish your scalp and strengthen brittle, damaged hair. Your hair needs as much protein as you do, that's why we've added a slew of hair-healthy nutrients like wheat, quinoa and oat proteins to feed your hair the healthy nutrition it craves to give you a shiny mane. Our powerful Moroccan Argan conditioner is bursting with healing amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to encourage a healthy scalp, soothe inflammation, repair damage, and thicken your hair. Top reviews from the United States. Buying it for third time. I am buying it for the third time in a row. It leaves my hair shiny, bouncy, and without static. Make sure to rotate it with a strong shampoo every 3 washes. My hair is wavy and fine. Flaunt beautiful curls this summer.